Hi, my DG viewers. We're going to the Inspiration Tower. This is a prominent attraction located on the Shepherd of the Hills homestead in Branson, Missouri. It stands at a height of 230 feet and it offers visitors breathtaking panoramic views of the Ozark Mountains and the surrounding area. The tower was built as a tribute to the novel The Shepherd of the Hills by Harold Bell Wright, which is set in the Ozarks. It serves as a symbol of inspiration and a reminder of the natural beauty and tranquility of the region. The tower stands at a height of 230 feet and it offers visitors breathtaking panoramic views of the Ozark Mountains and the surrounding area. The Shepherd of the Hills offers guided tours of the historic homestead, zip-line adventures, a ropes course, and a scenic lookout tower that provides the panoramic views of the surrounding areas. We ascended to the top of the Inspiration Tower via an elevator or a series of stairs. Once off the observation deck, we are treated to stunning 360-degree views of the rolling hills, forests, and lakes that make up the Ozark landscape. There is also interpretive displays or exhibits that provide information about the history and significance of the tower and the surrounding area. The Inspiration Tower is not only a scenic viewpoint, but also a place of reflection and contemplation. Many visitors find solace and inspiration in the peaceful surroundings and the awe-inspiring vistas.
This is the history of the Shepherds of the Hill. Oh, it's a Christian ministry.
In addition to the views, the Inspiration Tower also features a gift shop where visitors can find souvenirs, local crafts, and other items.
This is the Inspiration Tower. This is the zip line. They have a poster, mountain coaster. That's the zip line.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you!